I'm here at 1804759 Hoover, unit number 15. This is where the lady passed. Kitchen needs to be trashed out, the whole house, and painted, cleaned up. Floors are in good shape. Walls don't look like they have any damage. Appliances, I believe, work. There's no power on. Closets are full. My new blinds. Locks are changed. 2332 or 4. Sorry. 443. 44535 is the code for locks. Once again, floors are fine. Tub is good. Toilet's good. Just needs a flush valve. It keeps leaking. I turned it off. Sink is fine. So just to trash out and a quick paint. Other than that, all the doors are up and good. Floors are good. Fixtures seem to be in place. So, once again, that's 18047-59 Hoover, unit number 15.